Hey friends and family, Lindabradley from Princess House here. I have a great layaway set for you tonight that I think you're really gonna like. I love putting together layaways because I'm able to discount the price and then give you an opportunity to pay over time. So this is a nice set that has a nice variety of prep materials and cooking materials, and I think you're really gonna enjoy it. So let me just get to it. So as far as the prep work is concerned, when you're starting to cook, you're going to need good cutting boards and knives. And so these are the two bamboo cutting boards. You will see that they come with the silicone on the edges, and that's nice because they won't slip when you put them on your counter. I'm also going to include the set of the 3 knives. Now these are color coded. You'll see that the green knife goes with the green board and the blue knife goes with the blue board, and that is to prevent cross-contamination. So we have the meat knife, we have this is like a santoku knife, so this is for your fruits and your vegetables. And then it also has a serrated blade. This is good for cheeses and of course your sandwiches. They all come with the sheaths, so if you don't have a knife block, you can store them in the drawer safely. So that's number 1. You're gonna get your cutting boards and the knives. And these are awesome. Everybody who has them absolutely loves them. The second thing that I want to give you in regards to prepping is my favorite item right now, and this is the Immersion Blender. So it's called a 4-in-1 because it has 4 different attachments and it can do so much. All you need is a cord. So this is the blender part, this is the mixer part. This is great for mashed potatoes, or if you're making soups. I've made bean soup, I've made tomato soup, and you can mash it right in the pot. It switches heads really easily. All you do is untwist it and twist it. This is the blender one. It does come with this beaker, so this is good for your smoothies. The thing that I love the most about it is how easy it is to clean. You literally just have to run it under cold water and it's done. The next one is the whip, and so this one is good for eggs, pancakes, or of course your freshly made whipped cream. And the last one just might be my favorite because this is the food processor. It's a mini food processor. It has really sharp blades in here. So this is great to chop up celery, carrots, onions, nuts when you bake. It's an awesome piece. So the 4-in-1 Immersion Blender is going to come with it. You're also going to get a set of utensils, and it does come with the rotating utensil holder. I just don't have it to show you tonight. But you're going to get 5 of the utensils. They have the stainless steel base, so they're nice and heavy, and either silicone or the nylon tops. They are guaranteed up to 475 degrees. They're heat resistant. So I have the pasta fork, I have the deep spoon, I have a serrated spoon, a mixing spoon, and then one of my other favorites are the tongs. Because these tongs, if you can see them, they're actually serrated. So if you're pulling things out of water or oil, it drains it. And on the very edge, it has little silicone tips, so it won't mess up any of your non-stick pans, all right? So these are all the different things that you need as far as your prep work goes. And then, of course, to take your pans in and out of the oven or the microwave, I have the silicone mitts. And I love these because a lot of the times you have hot pads, but over time they get dirty from food and they just never come clean. These can actually be put in the dishwasher, so they'll protect you and you will not have to replace them. All right, and then we have to give you some stainless steel cookware because what are you going to use to cook in? So this one has the 9-quart stock pot. It's a really good size. 9 quarts is great. You can use this for pasta, spaghetti sauce, soups, chili. It's a really good size. And all of our pieces, if you don't already know this, come with the glass lids with the Princess Heritage pattern, and every single piece of our cookware collection has a lifetime warranty. So my new saying is buy nice or buy twice. These will last you forever. And then my favorite combination is when we take our non-stick, so this is a non-stick pan, and it has the little food spouts pour spouts on the side, and the lid is silicone, but you can see that it has a strainer in it. So this is like my favorite Taco Tuesday pan that I can make my meat and strain it off right into the sink. I do need to give you a disclaimer. So the piece that you're actually going to get is a 10-inch strainer. It's bigger than this. This is a smaller one. The 10-inch one is bigger. So I actually like it better. I just didn't have it to show you. And then this is one of our early bird specials. So you're also going to get this piece, which is a 4-quart stainless steel pan. So it's kind of like a 9-quart. It's just for your smaller meals, right? Macaroni and cheese, mashed potatoes. But this one only will come as a bonus through August 14th, because right now it is an early bird and it ends on August 14th. So this entire set, I can save you over $470 by buying it as a set. You can start with a payment of just $125 and then make 10 weekly payments of just $37.10, and this kit will be shipped to you once it's paid in full. So just reach out to me, Lindabradley at myprincesshouse.com. I can switch the payment arrangements. If you want to make your payments every other week or once a month, we can work with that. If you want to pay it in full, that's fine too. But this is my set number 8.2, and it's a really nice set with a lot of products that I think that you'll really enjoy for your kitchen. It's also really nice if you're going to a wedding or a housewarming, because it has a little bit of everything. It's got your prep work, it has your tools, your silicone tools, and some pieces of cookware. So again, reach out to me, Lindabradley at myprincesshouse.com, and I'll get you started. See you next time.